This is the Chabacano word of the day with J. And the word is pan. In English, bread. Examples. Bien conocido at ese pan na Pilipinas. Bien conocido at ese pan na Pilipinas. That bread is very well known in the Philippines. That bread is very well known in the Philippines. Makarisa sa litsura de ese pan. Makarisa sa litsura de ese pan. The shape of that bread is funny. The shape of that bread is funny. El bata ta come con el pan. El bata ta come con el pan. The child is eating the bread. The child is eating the bread. That's all for today. See you on the next Chabacano word of the day with Jay.